Hello everyone, it's about that time. And yes, the holidays are approaching and I have some new dishes to share with you all. So stay tuned for my new holiday recipes.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a delicious pumpkin pie, y'all. Yes, and we're also doing a collaboration with my YouTube son, Big Hurtem. He's making a dessert as well, so y'all go over and see what he's making. Okay y'all, let's make this pumpkin pie. Here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing you our can of pumpkin, and we're going to place this into our bowl. Now I'm adding the rest of our ingredients. I'm adding eggs. I have 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Brown sugar, regular white sugar, cornstarch, pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt. Heavy whipping cream, and evaporated milk. Now I'm using a hand mixer to mix all our ingredients together. We're going to continue to mix until our mixture becomes smooth and all our ingredients are well incorporated. Here I'm using my spatula to make sure that everything is well incorporated and see if it's smooth, and then I'm wiping down my sides with the spatula. We're giving our pie filling one quick mix, and then we're going to our next step. Here we're pouring our filling into our pie crust. Try not to overfill your pie crust, okay? Sometimes you have a little left, but that's okay. Now we're going to place our pie in a 375-degree oven for 1 hour, and then we're going to be back. Okay, our pie is fresh out of the oven. What we're going to do, we're going to place it on a baking rack and let it completely cool. And if you want to place it in a refrigerator, you can, but make sure it is completely cool. Okay, y'all, here's a slice of our pie. Y'all, this pie is so delicious. I hope y'all try this recipe. Okay, the house smells so amazing. Please don't forget to go by Big Hurtem's channel to see what dessert he has prepared for us. I can't wait to go over and check him out. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed. And happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you and your families.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!